Experience the ultimate convenience and peace of mind at home with our portable door chimes. This tutorial shows you the simple way of how to set up any of our portable door chime products. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, grab a flathead screwdriver and gently lift the tab on the bottom of the bell push. Hold the battery cover steady and slide the bell push upwards to separate the two pieces. Next, take a coin and insert it into the slot of the battery cover. Turn it anti-clockwise to remove the cover and pop in the CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Make sure the O-ring is in place, then secure the cover by aligning the slot with the lock symbol. Now you're ready to pair up your bell push with your portable door chime unit. Remove the battery cover on the door chime unit and insert 3 AA batteries, ensuring they match the plus and minus markings. Once the batteries are in, you'll hear a cheerful ding-dong sound. Within 120 seconds of hearing this, press the button on the bell push you just set up. When you hear the ding-dong sound again, the pairing is complete. Secure the bell push onto your desired wall using the adhesive pad or screws and plugs. Test the bell push and door chime unit in their intended locations to ensure they work perfectly before fixing the bell push in place. Remember, the operating range is up to 150 meters. Now you can customize your door chime unit to fit your lifestyle. Choose from 30 delightful door chime melodies by pressing the musical note button. Cycle through the melodies and stop when you find your favorite tune. Adjust the volume to your liking by pressing the volume button to cycle through 5 options, which even includes a mute option. Find the perfect level that suits your home. And finally, select your preferred operating mode by pressing the cog button. Choose from up to 3 operating modes, which are flashing LED alert only, chime sound only, or both light and sound together. Need more chime units? No problem. Pair extra units by following the same process. And there you have it. Discover more home products that make life a breeze on our website. Check out our full range of door chimes to find the perfect one for you.